Hello friends, this is Manthan Choksi, international chess player. Welcome to RK Chess Online Learning. Today, I bring to you a concept called interception. Now, this is a very useful theme when you are attacking the castle position. Let's have a look with this beautiful example. It's white to play here. Now, white has a wonderful checkmate out here, attacking the king, and the king cannot escape on g8 because the bishop is controlling. However, if you move queen h2 right now, it doesn't work. Why? Because the queen on b8 would capture the queen. So we use the tactic called interception. We intercept the line of defense. This is the line of defense for the queen. And what we do here, we intercept the line of defense with a bishop sacrifice. Now the queen cannot capture because the knight is supporting. So the only other option for black is to capture the bishop with the pawn. And after pawn takes bishop, now the line is blocked. The line of defense is intercepted. So here we can give queen h2 checkmate. So this concept is called interception, and a very useful way to deliver checkmate. One more example of interception. In this position is black to play, and try to find out interception. Checkmate in 2 moves. Pause the video, think for some time, and write down the solution on a piece of paper, and try to compare it with the solution given here. Okay, so here black can deliver checkmate with the queen. If the queen captures the bishop, the king cannot capture the queen because the bishop is supporting. But if you capture the queen right now, queen into bishop, it's not going to work because the queen on c2 is the defender. So what you do, you intercept the defender with the rook, and white has to take the rook, and now the line of defense is blocked, so you can capture the bishop and deliver checkmate. So this theme will help you to find good moves and try to checkmate the opponent and win the game. One more puzzle. This time it's white to play and checkmate in 2 moves using the concept of interception. Pause the video, see if you can find out interception, and write down the solution on a piece of paper and compare it with the solution given here. Okay. So here, if you observe, the queen and the bishop are placed on a very strong diagonal, targeting the king. The king cannot capture the queen because the bishop is supporting. However, who is the defender? The queen. So what you do? You do the interception. You put the rook in between the line of defense. Now black can either capture with the knight or the bishop. Whichever way he captures, we have this checkmate. So this theme will help you to give checkmate. So friends, hope you enjoyed the lesson on interception. This is a very useful theme. Try to apply it whenever it comes in your tournament games. And once again, this is Manthan Choksi. Keep signing in to our channel. Hit the like button, subscribe button, and you will regularly get videos from us. Thank you so much.